Hey YouTube, it's Jayden Alexander Brown here, back with another video, and today's video is about the legend of the genius born on December 28th, from Eddington to Alexander. I will be discussing the numerological importance of the number 28 and the consistent pattern of revolutionary geniuses born on December 28th from 1882 all the way to 2002. Let's start with the numerology of the number 28. Numerology number 28 is influential and unique, with combined energies symbolic of leadership, wealth, and success, associated with the zodiac sign Capricorn. Composed of the digits 2 and 8, 28's combined vibrations make 28 a number of partnership and personal power. The number 2 stands for diplomacy, balance, and cooperation, while 8 represents material wealth, financial acumen, and authority. They together dynamically pull the individual towards their successful goal, usually highly included in monetary success and a lot of influence. Since 28 reduces to 10, which in turn reduces to 1, it reflects independence, ambitions, and the potential to become an unparalleled pioneer. Individuals born on the 28th are often born leaders, but with the added capacity of taking bold initiatives without rubbing anybody up the wrong way. The numerology of 28 offers this number to people with influential positions in creative enterprise, those who mix strategic vision with charisma. For example, famous entrepreneurial innovators such as Elon Musk and Bill Gates are both born on the 28th. This is a number strongly connected to the vibrations of material wealth and making your visions become realities. Thus, these numbers relate to dates with big potentials to make enormous amounts of personal and financial successes. Also, the number 28 is correlated with genius, known as the ability to renew one's emotions in daily experience. As said in this book, 28, the trusting lamb. 28 is a number of puzzling and frustrating contradictions. It symbolizes a person or entity of fine promise, even genius, and great possibilities, with the capability of achieving impressive success. And the 28 person frequently does realize such success, only to see everything taken away unless he or she has carefully provided for the future. It indicates loss through misplaced trust in others, powerful opposition from enemies and competitors in business or career, danger of serious losses in courts of law, and the possibility of having to begin the life path over and over again. If 28 is the name number, one might wish to change the spelling to achieve a more harmonious and fortunate number. When 28 is the birth number and therefore can't be altered, the karmic lessons of prudence, caution, and well-laid plans must be learned and practiced. When this is done, the negative aspect of the 28th vibration will be substantially diluted. The key is to look before you leap. As you can see, the number 28 is correlatedly ingrained with genius within numerology. Now let's continue on to geniuses born on December 28th specifically. The zodiac sign for December 28th is Capricorn, and the numerology number 28 is also associated with Capricorn. As I discussed in my previous astrology video, Capricorn science, genius, and technology, Saturnian's rulership, and Uranus's influence on Capricorn makes them associated with genius capabilities and success within STEM based on the traditional and modern understanding of astrology and its history. I'm going to give you the consistent pattern of chronological appearances of revolutionary geniuses in their own right within their field, born on December 28th from 1882 to 2002. Firstly, we have Arthur Stanley Eddington, who was born on December 28, 1882, and is known as the greatest revolutionary astronomer of all time, celebrated for a number of stellar contributions to the field of astrophysics. He pioneered the detailed structure, motion, and evolution of stars. Among the first few scientists was Eddington, in 1917, who proposed that in stars energy is obtained from the transformation of matter into radiation. He was responsible for confirming the general theory of relativity through leading an expedition of solar eclipse in 1919 to show how gravity could bend starlight. His works include derivations related to the equation of radiation pressure, establishment of the mass-luminosity relation in 1924, and studies about high densities of white dwarfs and pulsations in Cepheid variable stars. He discussed the relation of fundamental physical constants and did much to popularize science within books such as Stars and Atoms. Secondly is John von Neumann, who was born on December 28, 1903 in Budapest, Hungary, and was a genius scientist and inventor who revolutionized mathematics, physics, computer science, and economics. Von Neumann was a lightning-fast mental calculator with really great memory, and also contributed much to the development of quantum mechanics, game theory, and the principles of construction of modern computing systems. He solved the most complicated problems very fast and precisely, so he was considered one of the greatest geniuses of the 20th century and left a great mark in many areas of STEM. Thirdly, we have Linus Torvalds, who was born on December 28, 1969, who revolutionized computer science. He is known very well for creating and fostering the development of the operating system called Linux. Discontent with the limiting factors of Microsoft MS-DOS, while in college studying computer science, Torvalds began developing on his personal computer an operating system somewhat similar to Unix. In 1991, he released the source code for free, inviting other developers to use and improve it, laying the foundation for the open source software model. Today, Linux is a cornerstone of the internet, powering servers, websites, and countless other devices around the world. Now, fourthly and lastly, we have myself, Jayden Alexander Brown. I was born on December 28, 2002 in Palo Alto, California, and I'm a theoretical engineering scientist, inventor, astrologer, philosopher, and polymath. I'm the founder, CEO, Systemo, and polymath at Theraships, and I'm only 21 going on 22, and I'm attending Arizona State University. Theraships is a tech platform mentally advancing humanity with therapy and mentoring for connective and career learning. I'm the pioneer of theoretical engineering science, which is also my major. Theoretical engineering science is a field that utilizes the method of theoretical physics modeling to model inventions that involve concepts as theoretically embedded as quantum gravity, then to transform them into experimental engineering prototypes, and then to finally construct them into practically engineered inventions. Within my field, my main focus will be in general relativity, relativistic astrophysics, cosmology, and loop quantum gravity in relation to aerospace engineering, due to my main interest in developing time travel and space exploration, theories, and inventions. The purpose of me innovating theoretical engineering science is so that I'm able to utilize theoretical physics to theoretically model any science fiction invention imaginable, to then transform theory from sci-fi to scientific reality. Ultimately, career-wise, I will achieve being recognized as a famous revolutionary scientist, inventor, astrologer, philosopher, and polymath through my revolutionary theories and inventions, resulting in my attainment of prestigious STEM awards. I'm only 21 going on 22, and sky is not the limit from here. So there you have it, with the vibrational influences of leadership, success, and genius that the number 28 holds, added to the Capricorn drive for achievement, something peculiar seems to manifest in people born on this date. From astronomy through theoretical physics, computer science, and now engineering innovation, December 28th keeps birthing individuals who are revolutionary in their respective fields. All the way from December 28, 1882 with Arthur Eddington, the trailblazer of modern astrophysics, to December 28, 1903 with the genius John von Neumann, who laid the foundation for mathematical quantum mechanics, computing, and economics, to December 28, 1969 with Linus Torvalds, who revolutionized the tech world with Linux, and finally to December 28, 2002 with myself, Jayden Alexander Brown, innovating Theraships, which will mentally advance humanity, and pioneering theoretical engineering science, which will revolutionize the Kardashev scale abilities by bringing science fiction into scientific reality. So, if this journey from history and back to the future inspired you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Shout me out with a happy birthday today if you can. Jayden Alexander Brown is out.